Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at GetResponse, and specifically we're going to see how easy it is to create an email campaign using their AI generated email campaign, as well as doing it manually yourself. So let's go ahead and dive right in here. I know this has been one that I've been asked to create, so let's go ahead and get this logged in real quick. All right, so here we are. We are on the GetResponse dashboard, and the thing that we want to do is we want to create an email campaign. So we can see right here, if we go to Tools, we have Email Marketing. So let's go ahead and click on Email Marketing. And again, we're going to take a look at two different ways. We're going to take a look at how easy it is to create it manually, and also how good is the AI to generate our content for us, and how much tweaking do we really need to do after that AI email is created. So let's go ahead and create a custom newsletter. So the very first thing that we're doing is we're going to do it by ourselves. Let's check out some of the templates that they have here. One thing that you guys already know is entrepreneur, business owners, online coaches, you know that any all-in-one software that you go with, whether it's ClickFunnels, GetResponse, Systeme.io, Attractwell, MailChimp, any email software or all-in-one program that you go with, you need to connect it to a custom domain, because as you know, if you go with a Gmail account, it's more than likely just going to get flagged as spam, and it's not going to get to your recipients like you want. So you always want to make sure that you add your custom domain. All right, just getting that out there. So a subject line. So with the subject line, you know, sometimes you may be staring at it and not sure what to put. So for this example, let's just think up one here real quick. Let's see here. Let's do this one here. Let's do 3 quick tips to boost your success this week. All right, so that's us coming up with. Now, let's see if we use the AI subject line generator to see if that makes it any better. So let's go ahead and click on AI subject line generator. This way, if you are staring at a blank subject line and you're not sure what to put in, we can use AI to see if it could come up with a better idea or maybe help spark a new idea for us. So let's go ahead and enter in some keywords and see what it generates for us here. All right, so some keywords to give it. Let's do growth. Let's do success. Let's do motivation. Let's go with these 3. And what type of business? We are a motivational coach. If I can spell it right. There we go, motivational coaching. And let's go ahead and include an emoji. Let's just see what comes up. And we're going to hit generate. So let's see, we have unlock your potential, the growth path to success, fuel your success journey with unstoppable motivation, elevate your life, grow, succeed, and thrive, discover the secrets to motivated growth and lasting success, your roadmap to growth, motivation that leads to success. I think we're just going to use our own 3 quick tips to boost your success this week, so we're going to go with that. And then add recipients. Now keep in mind, guys, we are using the 30-day free trial, which you can also use by clicking the link in the comments below. And you also will get a discount if you use that link if you do end up signing up with GetResponse. But we just wanted to show you some features and show you the comparison side by side before you got into it. So design and content. Let's go ahead and take a look at our templates here. All right, so we have a lot of templates. We want like a simple one. I'm sure they have one in here that's focused on motivational coaches, online coaches, educational teachers, and stuff like that. So let's see if we can find something here. All right, so here's one. We have like a mental health coaching, a mindfulness online course, yoga online. Maybe we'll go with one of those here. Let's see. There's a lot of templates. To be honest, just looking at all these templates, none of them are really jumping out at me like, ooh, this is a really good one. So just for now, let's go with this one. So let's use this one. All right, guys. So there it is. That is manually creating it. So now we have our template, and of course we would have to go through all of this and update everything manually, put in all our little images, logos, change all the text. So that's how we create a manual one. Let's go back, and this time let's use AI to generate our full newsletter for us and see which one we would prefer. This one, we definitely have a lot of work to put in. So let's go ahead and go back, and let's go all the way to the beginning. Once it loads here for us, we're going to go to Tools. We're going to go to Email Marketing. We're going to do create newsletter. Sorry, and we're going to use AI this time. So what is your email about? So let's go ahead and put in some information there. All right, so what is your email about? Let's do motivational tips and practical strategies for entrepreneurs to achieve business growth and success. What kind of business do we have? We have a motivational coaching business. And then the cool thing with the AI generator is you can do multiple different types of emails, right? So you can do your welcome email, your follow-up, your sales email, invitation, happy birthday, announcement, newsletter, and so forth and so on. For this one, we're just doing a simple newsletter, so we're just going to go ahead and click on next. And now it's asking us, what should our email sound like? And I want it to be inspirational. All right. And for this, we're going to do a one column. And then you can add your custom colors. So if you have branding colors, you can go ahead and add them here. You can do a joyful, you can do a modern, default, dark, pastel. So just for this example, let's go ahead and do joyful. And then you can also upload your logo, which we are not going to do right now, but that is something that you definitely would want to do. So let's go ahead and generate and see what AI can come up with for us versus us having to think about all this by ourselves, which, as you know, you can also use ChatGPT to give you ideas to build your email out doing it yourself, or you can see what GetResponse can come up for you. All right, so we have unlock your business potential. Do we really like that headline? Not too much, so that's probably something that we would change up a little bit. We would go back with, what we were originally thinking about. So let's see how easy it is to change this. All right, so we did that. And now, as we can see, we need to make this a header. So let's go ahead and change this to a heading. And maybe let's do heading 1. Let's center it. Let's make it just a tad bit bigger. Oops, gotta highlight it. Then we'll make it a little bit bigger. All right, there we go. And then we can go ahead and change it. So every I don't like this. Let's see what AI can do to change this up just a little bit. So let's make this more, let's see, simplify, short, change tone. So I want this more inspiring, right? We want this really to be inspiring. So let's see what AI can change this up for us to make it more appealing to our audience. So let's go ahead and replace this. This one looks a little better. So the image, we would go ahead and change our image. Now, I just do have an example image up here, so let's just put this up here. And if we want to change the color of this, we can change the color of the backgrounds. We can change, our text, add text. We can put in blocks. Whatever we need to do, we can definitely add. But as you can see, using AI to help generate our newsletter is a lot, in my opinion, better than manually doing it all by yourself. But is it perfect? Not at all. Do I love the way that this looks and feels? Not the greatest, but it is a valuable tool that you could use. So if GetResponse is something that you would like to explore, or maybe it's a tool that you would like to, look into, why don't you try it out for 30 days? You can click the link in the comments below and try this out for 30 days yourself. And you can try all the other tools as well. Because as we all know, guys, the look and the feel of the programs that you're using, the software, you want it to feel right. You want to really understand how to do it. You want to feel good using it. And you want to feel that you're able to do what you want to do and get the message that you want to get out there. So there's many different programs out there, but it's good to try them out and get a feel for it. Because if it's something that you like, you go with it. If not, you go on to something else. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. But I appreciate you guys watching and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.